boys and girls, here we are. We just put the screws in for the T-Bird, and we put them in the magic juice so there's no more rust. Well, you can tell they're starting to flash rust a little bit. So I always do this. Let them soak in that for a while. So now, when we go to put them back in, no rust. And because we used a chemical to take the rust off, this will soak into the metal and stop them from rusting. Haven't had any issues with anything rusting since I've been doing it, so I guess I must be doing something okay. But there we go, quickie update. Done for the day. The temperature just got too hot. So we got everything all bagged up, rewrapped, cleaned up. That's just a bungee to hold the bottom of the top cover on. But yeah, these came out really, really nice. I'm so happy. I love this magic stuff that we use. It's amazing, it really is. And you can see it still has the blue paint on it. Stuff's amazing, it really is. But okay guys, girls, and Barnsey, what do we say?